Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have some, actually it's a haul. If you guys didn't catch last week, Wandy, who's Wandy Sweets here on YouTube and also on Instagram, she created these gorgeous bookmark charms for junk journals or for even just for your book. But anyway, I picked up some of her creations, and you'll see if you guys don't already follow her, I'll put her link in the description box right here also. Check her out because she's making these gorgeous dangles, and look, oh, cute. Thank you for your purchase. Enjoy your goodies. Thank you, my friend. Thank you. Cute packaging. The first set that she shared were strawberry shortcake, and I had to jump on it. Oh my god, you guys. Okay, let me take everything. What? Friend Wandy? Oh my god. Wanda. What the hell? Look at all these goodies she shared. Look at this. Oh my god. Some doilies. Look at this. This is beautiful. Oh my god. Look at her strawberry stickers. Oh my god. Wandy. Yes, girl. And she shared this little extra goodie. Look at this. Handmade by Wandy Sweets. Yes, girl, yes. And she's got a little dangle on here. Look at the sweetest little strawberry. And this one says fun. How cute is this? Oh my god, I love her. She's got a pretty little bow here with the pom-pom trims. There's a little pocket going on right here. I don't think there's anything there, but doesn't hurt to check, double check. Look at this. It's a mini junk journal. Oh my god, how cute is this little pocket? You got a library pocket Memdex. How sweet is this? A little card back here, some stickers, and some wax seals. How cute. Oh my goodness, Wandy. Oh, this is cute. I love it. Love it. She's got her little doily going on, heart-shaped doily, and then some notebook paper, and then some cutouts. Oh my god, how cute to decorate the junk journal. These are so cute. Oh my god, girl, this is the sweetest. And I haven't even gotten to the one that I paid for. Look at her. Oh my god, I love her. Oh, she is so cute. And then in the back, we have a little strawberry shortcake. Look at that. Collect them all. Oh, so that's a hint. You can get strawberry shortcake, blueberry muffin, angel cake, a mystery, mint tulip, cherry cuddler, almond tea, a mystery, and a mystery. Rare chase figures. Okay, very cute. I'm so happy you shared this with me. Oh my god, this is just adorable. Wandy, what a very cute idea this is. I love this. It's so sweet. Oh my god, I love this. Girl. Oh my goodness, girl. And then she's got it packaged in some nice foam pockets. What a great idea. Oh my god. Look at all of this. Okay, so she's got little strawberry shortcake, just the same image that we've got going on here. Double-sided. Yes, girl, yes. She's got a grommet on there. And then we've got some acrylics on the dangle. Look at her out the window. And we've got, okay, this strand, we've got some heart beads. Oh, of course we do. Look at her. Oh gosh, lemon meringue? Is she lemon meringue? Who do we have? Let me see, let me see. Let's see, who is this? Girl, I know who she is. Why am I acting brand new? Anyway, she's not on the list, so she probably was one of the mysteries. She is adorable. Orange blossom, lemon meringue, one of the two. But look at her flower beads. And she's got a charm on here. Strawberry shortcake charm. You guys, my lighting, I'm so sorry. And then we've got a little acrylic piece on here with the flower bead. Oh, that is so pretty. And then on this one, we have little rose bead and another acrylic. This has to be orange blossom. Orange blossom. I'm going to say it's orange blossom. And then she's got the fuzzy bead. And then she's got this. What is this? It's shopping time. Yes, it is, friend. Yes, it is. And then we have another little charm. Look at her. Oh my God, I love her. So there's the acrylic orange blossom, and then there's the charm orange blossom. Oh my God. And then we've got this little bead set up, little bow, a strawberry, and she's got the acrylic strawberry shortcake and a little star. Oh, this is so cute. She's also got another orange blossom charm right there. Flower bead, a strawberry charm. How pretty with the flower beads. She's also got a butterfly charm on here. And then at the very, very bottom, we've got a teeny tiny bow charm. This is gorgeous. Wandy, I loved it when you shared it. This is super, super beautiful. Oh my God, my friend, this is favorite. And then the second one that I purchased, my goodness, it is strawberry shortcake. Yes. And then we have her acrylics. Okay, so we'll do it like this. This one, we have the beads again and the strawberry shortcake acrylic. We have the traditional strawberry shortcake charm with the pink butterfly. This is beautiful. And then the next one, we have another acrylic. Look at strawberry shortcake in a ballerina. The ballerina suit or dress, not suit. And then it's shopping time again, strawberry shortcake. And then this one we have, well, let's do this one. Little beads again with the strawberry. And we got the strawberry shortcake acrylic. And then we've got a little bow at the bottom. And we've got little strawberry shortcake and her little friend, the cat. Oh my gosh. How pretty is this? And then we have a strawberry bead. And there's the star. And then there's the little friend. Oh my gosh, this is the little sister of Apple something. Oh my God, I need to brush up on the names. But this is an acrylic piece. And then we have a strawberry little charm right there. How cute. And then the heart and a pink bead. This is beautiful. Look at that. Imagine this in your little junk journals. Oh my God, this is so cute. I love this. And that she shared some acrylics of Hello Kitty with the strawberries. So we have orange blossom and we have strawberry shortcake on here. And then she shared these gorgeous little extras that, oh my goodness, just blowing my mind right now. And a junk journal, a mini junk journal. How sweet is this little one? Oh my God. So cute. Pocket in the front, pocket in the back, pocket on the insides, and then you've got extras. And the sweetest little image. So, so sweet. I love this. Oh my gosh. What a fun, fun, fun purchase. I love it. She's got more coming out, guys. She's doing more strawberry shortcake. And I think she was doing Rainbow Bright also. I'm not sure, but anyway, Wandy, thank you so much. This is amazing. I was only expecting my little dangles, but thank you. I'll leave all the links down below, her YouTube and her Instagram. And if you're new here, welcome. Hit the subscribe button and join our crafty family. And while you're there, hit the notification bell, and that will let you know when I load a new video like this or when I go live here on my channel. Guys, this is amazing. And don't forget to check out Wandy and give her a follow, because she's going to be coming out with more little bookmark charms, dangles, whatever you want to call it. This is so fun. Thumbs up this video, guys, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.